In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI background generator. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a curious beginner, this tool is tailored to inspire creativity and bring new dimensions to your projects. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, you might need to sign up for an account. It's easy and takes just a few minutes. Canva is a fantastic platform that offers numerous design tools right at your fingertips, so it's worthwhile to explore. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll want to create a new design. You can choose from a variety of templates, whether it's a social media post, a presentation, or any other format you need. This array of templates helps ensure that your design fits seamlessly with the platform you'll be using it on. After you've selected your template, it's time to decide on your image. You can either upload a personal photo or pick one from Canva's extensive library. The library offers both free and premium options, so there's something for every budget and taste. Once you have your image, click on it to bring up the editing menu and then select Edit. This brings us to the magic of Canva's AI background generator. On the editing menu, you'll find the option to choose Magic Edit or Backgrounds. Magic Edit is quite intuitive. You essentially ask the AI to enhance or modify your image with minimal effort. It's tailored for those who want a quick transformation without delving into complicated editing tasks. But for those who want to experiment with the overall setting, click on Backgrounds. Now, let's bring your unique vision to life. In the Backgrounds option, you'll see a field to input your background prompt. Describe the background you're envisioning, be it a serene beach, bustling cityscape, or anything your heart desires. The more descriptive you are, the better the AI can tailor the background to match your theme. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, hit Generate Background. Within moments, you'll be presented with a variety of background options. The AI does a commendable job of interpreting your prompt and offering visually appealing choices. Go through these selections and pick the look that best suits your needs. Remember, there's no wrong choice. It's all about what resonates with your creative vision. Finally, refine and adjust the background as needed. Canva offers tools to tweak brightness, contrast, and color saturation, ensuring your final design feels just right. Adjust until everything looks perfect, and don't hesitate to experiment and make it uniquely yours. And there you have it. Utilizing Canva's AI background generator is both a fun and powerful way to elevate your designs. I hope these steps inspire you to get creative and explore new design possibilities. Happy designing!